Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your knees ache a little too long? Or heard that cracking sound in your joints and thought, is this just age catching up? After 60, our bones quietly start losing strength, a slow, silent decline we often ignore. But what if the secret to reversing that isn't medicine, but food right in your kitchen? Inside your body, your bones are living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. When we're young, the builders are strong, but after 60, they slow down while the destroyers keep working. That's how osteoporosis begins, silently, gradually, and dangerously. But there's hope, because nutrition can rebuild what time has weakened. The truth is, you can keep your bones strong for decades with the right daily habits. No miracle pills, no fancy treatments, just nature's wisdom and smart nutrition. Today, we'll reveal 5 overlooked foods that doctors rarely mention, yet each of them can protect your bones, joints, and posture for years to come. Let's start with something sweet: figs, nature's secret bone builder. Most people see figs as a treat, but they're actually rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Just 5 dried figs give you as much calcium as half a glass of milk. They even help prevent calcium loss and reduce inflammation inside your bones. Try soaking 2 dried figs overnight and eating them first thing in the morning. It's an old Mediterranean habit that keeps bones dense and flexible even in old age. You can also slice figs into oatmeal or yogurt for a sweet, nourishing boost. It's delicious, easy, and quietly strengthening your skeleton every single day. Next up, sesame seeds, tiny but mighty. These seeds are one of the richest natural calcium sources in the world. 1 tablespoon gives you nearly 90 milligrams of calcium, along with zinc and magnesium. But their secret weapon is vitamin K, the nutrient that directs calcium straight into your bones. Vitamin K is like a traffic officer. It sends calcium to your bones and keeps it out of your arteries. Without enough K, calcium can build up where it shouldn't, causing stiffness and weakness. Add sesame or tahini into salads, soups, or even smoothies for extra protection. Simple habits, powerful results. That's sesame's silent magic. Now let's take a trip to the ocean, to the mighty sardine. These small fish are full of calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s that protect bone tissue. Eating them with their soft bones gives you natural calcium your body absorbs easily. They're low in mercury, affordable, and one of the best foods for bone density. 1 can of sardines gives you nearly a third of your daily calcium needs. Add them to salads, pasta, or toast with lemon. They taste great and build resilience. Their omega-3 fats reduce joint inflammation and help your muscles support bone structure. Tiny fish, massive strength. That's the power of the sea for your skeleton. Next, we go green, dark leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and collard greens. They're loaded with calcium and vitamin K1, which activates the protein that locks calcium into bones. Without K1, your body can't hold onto calcium efficiently. It's like building a wall without cement. The structure just doesn't hold. Mix your greens, kale, mustard greens, and bok choy, for maximum calcium absorption. Cook them lightly with olive oil or garlic to release fat-soluble vitamins. They also contain magnesium and folate, which keep your bones flexible and fracture-resistant. It's simple. Eat your greens, strengthen your frame. Our 5th food brings modern science into the mix: fortified foods. As we age, our appetite and digestion change, making it hard to absorb nutrients. Fortified plant-based milks, orange juice, and cereals help fill that gap. They often include calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin K2, the trio your bones adore. Always check the labels. Look for calcium citrate and vitamin D3, which absorb better. And if you find foods fortified with K2, even better. That's the nutrient that locks calcium into place. Together, these fortified options act like modern armor for aging bones. Convenient, accessible, and effective, perfect for life after 60. Here's how K2 works. It activates special proteins that carry calcium into bones. Without it, calcium can drift into arteries, causing stiffness instead of strength. That's why K2 is the missing piece in many bone health plans. You can get it naturally from aged cheese, natto, or fortified foods. Let's build your Strong Bones Plate. Start your morning with oatmeal, figs, and sesame seeds. Have sardines and leafy greens for lunch, and a fortified milkshake with dinner. Every bite builds your strength, one meal at a time. Bone loss isn't fate, it's a reaction to neglect. With the right foods and habits, your bone density can actually improve. You can go from fragile to firm, from hesitant steps to confident movement. Your body responds beautifully when given the right nourishment. But remember, food alone isn't enough. Bones respond to movement, especially when you add gentle resistance. Walking, yoga, and light weights all send a message to your body: stay strong. Just 20 minutes a day can help rebuild lost density over time. Each step you take tells your bones to renew themselves. Add balance exercises, a bit of stretching, and deep breathing, it all adds up. Strong bones aren't built in gyms, they're built in everyday moments. Movement keeps calcium where it belongs, inside your bones. Combine old traditions with modern nutrition, that's the real secret. Mediterranean diets, rich in figs, fish, greens, and seeds, keep seniors mobile and pain-free. Nature's design always works better than any supplement shelf. It's food, movement, and sunlight, the timeless trio for strong bones. So now you know, the 5 foods doctors don't always mention, but your bones crave. Figs, sesame seeds, sardines, leafy greens, and fortified foods, your natural bone protectors. Feed your body well, keep moving, and age with power, not pain. Because after 60, strength isn't lost, it's rebuilt, one choice at a time.